welcome to Ayurvedic Remedies with me, Shilpa. Are you suffering from cough from many days and have tried all kinds of cough syrup and medicines to get rid of that stubborn cough? I'm going to show you a homemade cough syrup that will help you to cure your cough instantly. So to prepare that cough syrup, we need carom seeds, ginger juice, honey, black salt and pepper. So come, let's prepare it. Carom seeds will give you relief from the agony caused by cough and blocked nose. Ginger boosts your immune system and relieves cough. Pepper will help you to reduce the symptoms caused by cough and cold. Honey has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. I have roasted the carom seeds on low flame for around 5 minutes. It has to change its color to this. Now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of roasted carom seeds. I'm going to take this in a mortar and ground this along with few peppercorns, 5 to 6 peppercorns. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger juice. Next to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Lastly, I am going to add a pinch of black salt. Now mix this all ingredients nicely. Now the Ayurvedic homemade cough syrup is ready. You can store this in a glass container and take 1 tablespoon twice a day. Avoid drinking water for 30 minutes after consuming this cough syrup. Try this cough syrup at your home and get relieved from your cough. It's time for me to say bye. I'm going to show you more such videos in my next upcoming videos. Until then, take care and keep watching Ayush TV.